di ba? Ang hirap viewers pag music.
Yun po yung Born to Shine, and it's a really good story. Hindi siya yung typical musical na show, but may talagang musical aspect. And ako po doon, parang nakita ko na how I will help the show is really, it's a perspective of Zeph and her beautiful character there. So we will see how she will shine. And siguro doon lang po ako to show the side of showbiz as a singer and stuff like that. And habang kaya pa lumalaban lang.
I-enjoy mo na yung buhay mo sa showbiz na. Kasi ba parang daming opportunities sa'yo?
Siguro po itong phase ko sa career ko ngayon na talagang I'm building to work on my goals to become a leading man and to position myself in a good position sa showbiz. Talagang masaya ako, in-enjoy ko lang yung journey. Minsan sinasabi po ako in advice sa mga veterans na enjoy nyo lang yung journey paakyat kumbaga. And for me, thankful lang, one step at a time. Alam kong I have a lot to work on, work in progress pa ako, pero masaya ako sa progress.
Pero pa sa hosting naman, ang galing mo sa hosting eh.
Salamat po.
Parang lahat na lang yung
Personal lang.
Alam niyo po yung hosting kasi biglaan yung last year when I...
Personal atake ni Arnel, parang get.
Biglaan siya when I hosted the Filipino Music Awards in Metro Manila Film Fest. It's really a passion of mine and siguro pag nabibigyan ako ng opportunity, alam niyo naman po, madaldal ako. So nag-enjoy lang ako pag nasa stage and yeah, sana mas ma-explore ko pa po yung hosting.
Pero iniintriga ka na.
Anong intriga yan?
Yes, ang dami ng mga napapansin sa'yo, mga na ano, like laki na rin ng pinagbago mo, yung mga ganun na mga lumalabas na mga kwento.
Yeah.
Mga attitude ka na raw.
Wow.
Ano ba, are you aware of it? Yung mga minsan yung mga issue, mga lumalabas na mga ganung kwento.
Well, you know, I always listen to the people ahead of me, kumbaga the pillars of the industry. And nung nagsimula po ako, ang dami na talaga mga background noise, kumbaga. And kung masasabi nating intriga, hindi yan maiiwasan sa showbiz. I'm just thankful that there's people watching and keeping an eye out on me. Whether it be good or bad, talagang kailangan niya natin harapin kasi ganun ang showbiz. And I'm just really focused on my goal. Alam kong yung totoo will always prevail. The truth always prevails. And you know, sometimes talaga there will be misconceptions or even rumors spread about you. But you know, the people that I work with, and Papa P was the one who told me this, na maging mabuting tao lang at yung mga tao mo sa paligid mo ang talagang magsasalita for you. And ako, I don't need to defend myself in terms of the negativity because I know I work with positivity and I fight for rights, stuff, and talagang kumbaga, hindi ako nagtatrabaho ng unprofessional. That's something that I really keep to myself na that's something I value in this industry, no? So, ayun po, minsan I make mistakes but we learn from it and we grow.
Sino yung nag-a-advise sa'yo? You mentioned Piolo Pascual, di ba?
Yeah.
So, sino pa yung mga
Yung talagang number one po is Tita Connie for me. Actually, she was messaging me the other day.
Connie Reyes.
Tita Connie Reyes. Kasama ko po
kasi
siya sa
sa
isang
signing,
serie.
oo.
Ang tawag ko sa kanya Lola. And sinabihan niya talaga ako na darating yung panahon na marami kang harapin, mga mabubuti man or mga not so good, right? So, she always told me to keep my faith up, to always pray for guidance, to always be level-headed. And siguro yung bihira lang kami magkita. Actually, hindi kami nakikita often, pero nagte-text talaga kami. And na-appreciate ko yun kasi parang reminders niya talaga sa akin is to always stay grounded, to always pray, and I appreciate that and namimiss ko na siya.
Pero hindi may iwasan na apektuhan ka ba sa mga intriga?
Well, alam niyo po, mahirap ma-distract eh. Siguro sa ngayon sa schedule na bihira na nga magka-personal time, I just want to focus during taping, mga events na ganito. Kasi sayang eh, ayaw ko sayangin yung opportunity. Minsan ginagamit yan to hinder us. But ako, I'm just focused on my goals, working hard, and working with the truth.
So not true. Hindi totoo.
Hindi
Yung
yan
sinabi
totoo.
ni Gorg. Yun, para klaro. Yung sinabi ni Gorg.
Kayo pa, alam niyo yan.
Pero yun na nga, ang dami mo nang na-prove, Michael, di ba? Single ka na pala. Single ka na pala.
Wala na pala.
Kailan pa?
Parang sexy niya ngayon Di ba?
Kailan pa, Michael?
Pero napansin mo na sexy siya ngayon.
Sino ba yung tinutukoy natin?
Sino ba yung lagi mo nakasama noon?
Marami naman nakasama noon.
Kasi ano?
Kasi nga.
Isa na yan sa intriga.
Pero hindi, may communication pa kayo, of course.
Well, ano naman po kami, we always try
Ni Mavi
to talk and
Hindi si Cassie siya.
Hindi, si Mina na lang.
Si Zoren.
well, congratulations to them for successful run in their serye.
At pinalitan niyo.
Ating kapatid.
Oo,
And yeah, I mean, once in a while, nakita ko siya sa MMFF. Congratulated her with all her success. And yeah, napakaganda, di ba? I mean, she's
Yes.
beautiful. She's really looking good and I'm happy for her.
Hanggang dun lang. Friends pa rin.
Friends pa din.
Yung closest niyo ni sinabigyan ng man.
AC? In Pinoy Big Brother kasi it's really hard to really get the truth sa perspective ng tao kasi perspective yun ng editing kung ano man ang mangyari. But me and AC, we were just so genuine with each other and I always say na nagmukhang may mali siya or stuff like that. But alam namin kasi yung totoo, we were just really close. But imagine, that dalawang taga Vancouver nakita sa Pinoy Big Brother house. Parang such a crazy thing to happen. So ayun, we got close, makulit din siya, makulit din ako. So ayun, wala naman po kaming sinasaklang ibang tao. And after naman, we still talk, we see each other. But you know, she's in the ABS, so bihira lang po kami mag-uwi.
So hindi ka ang cause.
Hoy, wala yan!
Wala yan. Sige, congrats sa Born to Shine, ha?
Alam mo, galing mo sumunod. Hindi ka mahuli. Alam mo yun.
Updated ako!
Updated sa mga chika,
Congrats sa
ha?
Born to
Thank
Shine.
you po,
Patas
thank you.
ang patas na yung rating.
Yes, very net
Di
goes
ba?
higher.
Bongga naman one line lang, gets mo agad.
Kahit or pwede yung setup niya, nandun pa rin yung feeling na bahay namin siya. And I'm just so thankful na nakatira ako doon and alam naman natin na napakasigat ng bahay ni Kuya. Thankful for everything he's given to me and yung mga experience ko doon, yung mga memories kasama yung housemates. Super, super happy and at the same time bittersweet na pa rin.
Yung feeling mo na yung mga lilipat sa wala na doon?
Ano ba?
Ano feeling mo na wala na doon? Lilipat sa career mo yung bahay na
Yun
yun?
na nga po talagang legendary siya for me and lilipat na siya sa ibang location and I'm sure mas marami pang magtutulungan ng tao ang discover ang kasi ni Kuya and ako, I really cherish my time inside ng Planet.
Tignan mo. Itong side na.
In behalf of Michael Sager, go Michael.
Mga kapuso and kapamilya.
Ano daw, thank you.
Thank you guys for being here today. It's really important for us. We appreciate all the time, the efforts, all the efforts of sharing this. It's a great story. Huwag kang titingin. It's something to enjoy this Holy Week this summer because it's a story about the new generation. What happens when they get involved with the spiritual realm na hindi pala ganun kabait, diba? So, iba po ang atake namin dito. Maraming horror films ang Pinoy, pero we just wanted to add on to the amazing genre because it's really something we should be proud of, right? So, huwag kang titingin, April 15 na po yan. Maraming salamat to everybody who made this possible. It's an honor and a pleasure to be here and to be a part of this film. Thank you all so much.
Very well said, Michael. Team song talaga. Mga kaibigan, wag mo na kaya alis guys dahil we'll be asking our friends from Sita Deans for a group photo. Hello po ma'am, hello po. Maraming salamat po for accommodating us. Grabe, sobrang gaan ang pakiramdam natin sa Sita Deans talaga mga kaibigan.